Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel where we keep things simple as possible. So in this video I'm going to be breaking down the trade I took on Friday. So if by the end of this video you find any value, do well to smash the like button and subscribe for your boy. So here is the Euro USD chart, and before I break down this trade, let's start from marking the structures. So if you look here, we see that the market is coming back to the downside, breaking structures to the downside. We had a break of structure here, another break of structure happened here, and market took out this inducement and broke structure again here. So if you want to understand how to mark structure properly, you can watch my video on structure marking. So to understand how to mark structure on SMC way. So let's continue. So after this break of structure, we try selling on this level because this candle now grab liquidity and push price down, and price come back down, created this equal highs, also called SnR liquidity. So this market failed to hold at this level. It pushed up and stuck our stop loss at this level. We took a loss here. So after we took this loss, already the market are proving that now I'm no longer ready to continue to the downside. So all I'm doing now is to be looking for a buy, and the market continued pushing to the upside. So all about this video is to show you guys how to trade SnR, how to use equal highs as a confluence. So if you look here, before the mitigation of this order flow, which is this order flow that grab liquidity, before the mitigation we had equal highs here. So after the equal highs is being created, taken out, that's when we now meet here. That's when we now start to sell. But also always remember that there's no guarantee in any setup you see in the market. The only thing you have guarantee over is your risk management. So that's why we're able to take this loss and then accept the loss and move on. And another thing I want to be telling you in this video is that in this video you're not going to be seeing me jumping from one time frame to another. I'm just going to be showing you one thing in this time frame, because as time goes on I realize that in trading you don't have to be doing everything you have been told, acting like a sheep. You have to make your own decision. So I decided to choose my own to trade on one time frame, which is for me is 15 minutes. So let's continue. After we make this change of character here, confirming that the market is now heading to the upside, the market continued pushing up, and now here on Friday we had this price action here. The market took out another inducement here and break above this high. Giving us another break of structure at that level. And after this break of structure, we are willing to sell here. But why are we not selling here? Because we have liquidity sitting below it. If we should be buying here, sorry, we have every reason to be buying here. But why are we not buying here? We have reason not to be buying here because of this liquidity sitting here. And whenever you want to enter a trade in the market, always ask yourself, this question because this simple question have saved me a lot of bad entries. If I should be putting my stop loss, for example now, if I should be buying here in this current price, putting my stop loss here to continue to the upside, where is my stop loss? Is it sitting at a liquidity level or not? So if you ask yourself that question and answer it, it will really save you a lot of bad trade. So looking at this now, you will see that below this, where my stop loss should be, is a trend line liquidity sitting here. So the market come down and take out the trend line liquidity, breaking the trend line liquidity, and at the same time creating SnR liquidity. So when I saw this, I marked this unmitigated wick shadow here because this is a long wick, this is a long shadow. So more than 50% of this candle is a wick. So when this happens, it's high probability to be marked as a POI. For this place now, it stands as a demand zone. So I mark this demand zone, which is my POI now, spotted this equal lows that are sitting here and waited for market to tap at this POI. And when the market come to this POI, I didn't buy immediately. I wait for this engulfing. I wait to see a bullish candle engulfing a bearish candle. So that is my confirmation. And when I saw that exactly as it happened here, that is when I decided to buy. So I bought immediately the candle closed, this strong bullish candle closed, and put my stop loss below this bearish candle, which is this entire pullback, the low of this strong rejection. That is where I put my stop loss. I didn't just put it below this engulfed candle. No, I put it below a pullback, which is below this low here. So that is how I entered this trade and targeted 1 to 2. So that's how I traded on my last trade on before the weekend on Friday, and hit TP with 1 to 2. Very easy trade. So what am I trying to point out here? The major purpose of this video is being able to spot equal lows and being able to spot liquidity before taking any entry, and always know when liquidity is being taken and when liquidity have not been taken. Yes, we swept this let's say we mark this inducement here. We swept this inducement before creating this trend line, but after breaking this structure to the upside, I still have to ask myself that same question. If I should be buying here, putting my stop here, is it at the right place? No, because this is liquidity sitting here, and the market mind will always come for it. It won't go up without taking liquidity. It won't go down without taking liquidity. So that is what we see here. And exactly that is what happened in this market. And I had my good entry at this level and hit my TP before the market closed. So to show you proof of what I'm saying, this is my Euro USD chart. Let me on the trade history. So here is the trade at this level. Here is the entry, and here is the exit. Just exactly the way I've analyzed it in the trading view chart. So this is it. I entered at this place and targeted 1 to 2 at this level and get out. because I noticed that greedy have been affecting my trading so far. So I'm working towards it. I'm keeping my risk management and target very specific this time. So that is it. Using being able to spot liquidity is a crucial thing. It's very important. It helps in a specific way. So that is all for this video. Always try to spot out your SnR and always look for a confluence before buying. So before I bought, I waited for this engulfing before buying. So to also show you where this happened again, this is it again here on the daily time frame. Network. So this is it here. Before this push to the upside, we also have that same thing repeating itself. This is it. And now we are anticipating that the market have reversed it, that is going to go to the downside. People are marking break of structure, resistant support turn to resistance, but the market manipulated us and zoom to the upside. So that is all I want to let you guys know in this video. Always spot out your liquidity the right way and trade alongside with the trend. Yeah, that's all for this video. See you guys another one. And if you find this video helpful on how to trade liquidity, please do well to smash the like button and subscribe for more updates. See you guys another one. Peace out.